Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's Kitchen. I am Asma. Today I have a really exotic recipe of trifle to share with you. That is vermicelli mango trifle. Give it a try and let me know your feedback. Right, let's get started with the ingredients of vermicelli mango trifle. Milk 1.5 liter, jelly 1 packet, ready and in cubes. If you want jelly recipe, then click on I button show up on the screen. Sugar 15 tablespoons, pistachio 20 to 25 julienne cut, almonds 20 to 25 julienne cut, apricot diced 1 cup, colored vermicelli 100 gram or 1 cup. 6 tablespoon mango custard, water as required. Now boil this milk with 15 tablespoon sugar, mix in it and let sugar completely dissolve in milk. After milk get boiled, add 100 gram or 1 cup colored vermicelli. Mix it and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, as I said before that it is a mango truffle, but I forgot to mention mangoes, so sorry for that. Now I have here 4 mangoes diced and I am taking here 6 tablespoons of custard. Then add water as required. Mix it well. Now it is well mixed. After 10 minutes, add this custard mixture into milk and continuously stir it and let it become required thick. It will get more thick when it will become cool, and as I told in my previous video of fruity trifle, as it become cool, thick layer will be set on custard. Break it time to time and get recipe of fruity trifle by click on I button show up on the screen. My custard is really cool now. I am stirring it to break the frozen layer. It is quite thick and it should be, because when it become in contact with mango release their juice and it will become less thick. It will always happen when you use fresh fruits in trifle. Now in a mixing bowl add custard, then diced mangoes. And mix it well. After mixing it really well, dish it out in serving bowl. Then add diced apricots. Then spread jelly all over the custard. Then julienne cut almonds and pistachio. Keep it in fridge so that it become more cool and serve it cool or serve it as it is. It's per your choice and taste. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media, link in description. Give thumbs up if you like this vermicelli mango trifle. Leave comment below. Share vermicelli mango trifle with your family and friends and subscribe Asma's Kitchen, and don't forget to click on bell icon. I will see you soon with another exotic recipe. Thank you so much for watching.